Hollywood Signal Box, about 3 miles north of Dumfries on the old Glasgow and South Western Main Line, the last wheel-operated level crossing in Scotland, is not an easy place to film. At ground level there is no view to either north or south along the track, and from the air the views are severely restricted by line-side trees, even in winter when the foliage is down. In earlier times this was a major Anglo-Scottish route, carrying premium express passenger trains between London's St Pancras station and Glasgow's St Enoch. In more recent times, the line carried a heavy coal traffic between the Ayrshire coalfield and the power stations of Yorkshire. But all has gone, and little now runs along the route other than a 2-hourly stopping service between Carlisle, Dumfries, Kilmarnock and Glasgow. So when, on a beautiful winter's day, I spotted on RealTime trains that a 1,250-ton freight train was running between Barassi on the Clyde coast and Crewe, I decided that this was an opportunity not to be missed. A long wait ensued whilst 2 cameras were readied and the drone was prepared and launched. Eventually, headlights appear in the distance and that was a 1,200-ton freight train? Two local passenger services are due, southbound at 14:55 and northbound at 14:57. So let's get the drone back into the air and see what we can capture. Despite a long wait, the southbound 14:55 doesn't appear, and the drone battery is getting rather low. Eventually, the northbound train takes me by surprise. But on this crystal clear day, we can follow it on its journey up Nithsdale. And if you have a decent monitor, you can actually see it cross the River Nith on the distant Portrack Viaduct. The gates remain firmly closed to road traffic for another 5 minutes. Hardly an inconvenience on this road. From running 3 minutes early at Mauchline, she managed to be 7 minutes behind time by Thornhill. What happened? I have no idea. Well, so much for my plans for filming a major freight working. It's not quite Crewe or Carlisle, but these rural locations have a charm of their own, and I met some interesting locals during the long waits. Thanks for watching. Steam trains start again this coming weekend. At last.